Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to look at how we can install PyCharm in our system. PyCharm is an IDE where we can practice small Python programs. We can create big Python projects. For installing PyCharm, first of all we need to install Python in our system. I have Windows system, so I'll be installing Python on Windows. So for this, we need to go to this website called python.org. Here we can see download section. We need to click on this. Once we click on this, we can find download Python 3.10.1. It is the latest version available. So let's click on this. Python installation has begun. Let's wait by the time it comes. As you can see, Python installation is complete now. Let's click on this. We can see this small pop-up showing install Python 3.10.1 for 64-bit operating system. Here we need to check this add Python 3.10 to path. This is required because whenever we want to access Python from our command line, so it will be available there. So now we need to click on install now. Let's click on this. Here we can see setup was successful. It shows like Python is complete, installation is complete. Let's close this. The Python is successfully installed or not. We can click on this Windows icon. Here we can see ideally. Ideally stands for integrated development and learning environment. Whenever we install Python on Windows, so ideally comes by default. Ideally is used to run Python statements. Let's click on this. Here we can see one small window showing a platform to execute Python statements. Here we can type any Python statement like print. Let's print hello. So it will print hello. So we can check by executing any Python statement here. So let's close this one for now. So other things are like Python 3.1. So other things are like Python 3.10 modules docs, Python 3.10 manuals. So as these all are installed, means Python is successfully installed on our system. Other thing what we can do is we can just go to the CMD command line. For verifying the Python, whether it's installed successfully or not, we can just check its version. Python hyphen hyphen version. So it will show the version installed on our system. So right now it's Python 3.10.1 that we installed. So yeah, it means it's successfully installed on our system. Let's close this one for now. So now we have verified Python is successfully installed on our system. So next step we will be going is we will install PyCharm. For that, let's open a new tab. You can just type PyCharm right here. It will show the related website, that is the Python from where we can PyCharm from where we can download it. So when we click on this, when we go there, it will show the download button right here. We can click on this. So it is showing download options for three platforms. One is Windows, one is Mac OS, one is Linux. For whichever platform you are using, you can download by clicking on that respective platform. You can click on that respective platform. So for now, I am downloading it for Windows. So I am clicking on Windows. So I'll be going for I'll be going with Community Edition, that is free. So let's download this. Download has started. It will say it will take some time to download it. Now Now we can see PyCharm is downloaded successfully. Let's click on this. Once we click on this, it will open up and pop up showing instructions for PyCharm. Let's wait for this. We can see welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. We'll click next on this. So this is the destination folder path where the PyCharm installation will go. Let it be. Now I am checking all the options. Let's click on next. Let it be as default. So now it will take some time to complete the process. The installation process of PyCharm is complete now. Here we can see two options, reboot now, and the second one is I want to manually reboot later. You must go with reboot now. You need to reboot your Windows system and then everything will be set up perfectly. Right now I am going with I want to reboot later. This will also work. So let's finish this. Once we finish, we can see one PyCharm icon on our desktop. Let's click on this. We'll open up our PyCharm setup. So it is saying for importing some of the settings if it was previously installed. So I will go in with the option do not import settings. Okay. So here we go. We have PyCharm installed successfully. Here we can see different options, new project, open, get from VCS. We will go with creating a new project, a fresh project. Let's click on this. Then it will ask some of the points to us, like location, where we want to store our file. Let's give it a name like first program. Okay. Then it is asking for the interpreter. Let these fields be default. Now we can click on create. So it is setting up all the things, creating virtual environment. So now in the back side we can see it is showing tips to us. So we can skip this, we can close this out. So here we go, we have our first Python file created in the PyCharm main.py. So these all are default entries in the file. So let's remove all of these. What we can do for now is just type a valid Python statement to verify whether it is working perfectly or not. Let's print out something. For printing in Python, print, we can print anything. We can print our name. We can print anything. So let's print out welcome. So once we have written the valid Python statement here, we can click on this icon. Here we can see run. Once we click on this, here we get the output welcome. We print it here welcome and we get the output as welcome. So this is our first Python program using PyCharm. So thanks for watching this video. For more related videos, please subscribe to this channel.